the city. Street in Buffalo. Where my kid lives. Showing her house because she'll flip right out in the back of my truck. Think anybody knows what that means? The city.
Wow.
Listen to church bells. Bells in the city. Why are you? It's America. 'Tis America. No more bookstore. No more bookstore. It's gone. Wow. Okay, so I'm taking you to where I used to live. See, I wasn't always a country girl. I lived here. On this floor, and it looks a little worse for the wear from when I was here, but this was my place in 2000. I think it was 5, yeah, 5, and I lived here, and the college is up the road because it was my post-divorce apartment. It was the only place that would take my dog, my Rottweiler. And that Rottweiler pulled me down these steps and actually broke my the hardware I had in my back, so I had to have more back surgery. Thank God I had a friend that helped me out, took care of my doggy. But yeah, living here was a lot different than it is, you know, where I live now. Yes. But it is the city, and it was okay for when I needed to be in the city and need to be near my job. So there you go. Buffalo, New York. West side, I think. Near my employer, actually, my old employer. College. College. 20 years there. Yep. Big head shop. Yep. That's where everybody goes to get their glass pipes and rolling papers and all that shit in Buffalo. Myrtle, yeah. Going to get a fucking bagel. Looks like it's pretty busy here. People are living life. Living life. That's what you gotta do. So, I'm going to get, I don't know, I haven't had a bagel in so friggin' long. I don't usually eat bagels. There's a lot of bread in those babies. Here we go. Let's see if I can,
Next right, and then north turn.
It's right there, that white one. For 3 years. I don't even have to get out, nobody's coming. I lived there for 3 years. It was a rental. We didn't grow much. But my Harley used to live in that back garage. Yep, 3 years there. This is actually Amherst, New York. Little box houses, tiny houses, which actually are fine. And the houses just got bigger and bigger and bigger as you go down towards Sheridan Avenue. They took up everything. Anything that had any kind of green space here, anything is gone. Gone, gone, gone. Been gone for 20 years, more than that, 30, 40 years. Just took paradise and put up a parking lot and shopping centers. Bye, bye, bye. I mean, that's really basic. Cannabis. You go in, you see this PA, I guess, and talk about, your problems or your pain and all. And then they recertify you. You go on the New York State website, then you certify. And you're like certified, to get your medical cannabis. But then you have to go to the dispensary. And my glands look swollen, don't they? They always are. That's an illness I have, and they won't go away. Permanent swollen glands. Well, anyway, that's why it looks like this. Swollen. The car wash. And we are going to be in a drought this year. With the car wash, doing great.